How the Tesla's Model X SUV perform in a crash. How safe are they really? Hey, this is Rags to Riches, and you are watching how the Tesla's Model X SUV perform in a crash. Before we start, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, make sure to watch the video until the end and let us know what you found the most fascinating about Tesla in the comment section below. Get comfortable and let's get into it. This Model X refuses to roll over. Unlike most SUV, which tend to roll over with ease, the Model X continues to return to an upright position. Here is why the Model X was the first SUV to receive a perfect crash test rating. When it comes to vehicle safety, size matters, so it's not uncommon for SUV to be generally safer than your standard sedan. However, they tend to have one big shortcoming: rollovers. SUV are notorious for having a high center of gravity, causing them to roll over when put in tight maneuvering situations or side impact. Rollovers can result in the partial or full ejection of passengers from the vehicle, increasing the chances of injury or death. In 2016, rollovers happened in 1% of serious crashes in passenger vehicles, but accounted for 1/3 of collision-related deaths. Over the past 3 decades, automakers have been able to reduce the frequency of rollovers in vehicles with technology and more stable design. However, once an impact occurs, it's just basic physics. A higher center of gravity increases the likelihood of a car tipping or rolling over. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, is the only organization that tests rollover resistance. They also test for frontal crashes and side impacts from a pole and barrier. After each test, they measure readings from a dummy to determine how much damage a real person is likely to sustain. They use this data to determine a rating in each category and an overall safety rating for the vehicle. Amongst its many luxury features, the Model X hosts active safety technologies, such as collision avoidance systems and automatic emergency braking. But what sets the Model X apart is its design. Like other Teslas, the Model X has a large rigid battery pack located on the floor of the vehicle. This gives the Model X a much lower center of gravity than your average SUV. In the event of a collision that would normally cause the SUV to roll over, the Model X is prevented from flipping and the passengers are saved. The rollovers are just one aspect of the safety test. Since the Model X is an electric vehicle, there is no need for a mechanical component in the hood of the car. This allows for a much larger crumple zone to absorb energy from a frontal crash. It also has specially made side sills that absorb energy in addition to its rigid side pillars. These features help reduce the force exerted on passengers and increases their protection. But if you don't have $80,000 laying around, for a Model X, there are still SUV out there with excellent safety ratings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more luxury videos, make sure to click here so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and until next time.